Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channel today. The beautiful teenage American actress Olivia Rodrigo. She is an attractive, most beautiful, nice and famous in the world. Now the beautiful quotes of motivational quotes. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. The secret of getting ahead to getting started. I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games 26 times. I have been trusted to take the game's winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets go what you believe. Remember, you can achieve the best time to planet. A tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Only the burned survive. It's hard to best a person who never gives up. I wake up every morning and think to myself, how far I push this company in the next. It's hard to best a person who never gives up. I wake up every morning and think to myself, how far I push this company in the next 24 hours. The people are doubting. How far? How can I go so far that you cannot hear them anymore? We need to accept that we wouldn't always make the right decision, that we shall screw up royally sometimes. Write it, short it, publish it, crush it, shoot it, whatever make. You have got a ghanta dance like there's nobody watching, love like we. You will never be heard. Sing like there nobody listened, and life like it is heaven on earth. Fair tales are more than true, not because they tell us that Dargon exists, but because they tell us that Dargons can be beaten. Everything you can imagine is real. When one door of happiness closes and other open, but often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. Do one thing every day that scares you. It's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person than Lewis Carroll. Smart people learn from everything and everyone. Average people from their experience. Stupid people already they have to all the answers. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you will be criticized anyway. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own action. Whatever, you are a good one. The same boiling water that soften the potato, harden the egg. It's what you are made of, not the circumstances. If we have the attitude that it's going to be a great day, it usually is. You can either experience the pain of discipline or the pain of regard. The choice is your. Impossible is just an opinion. Your passion is waiting for your courage to catch up. Magic is believing in yourself. If you can make that happen, you can make anything happen. If something is important enough, even if the odds are stacked against you, should still do it. Hold the vision, trust